Konkani phrases for different types of meat. Konkani phrases for different types of meat or flesh that is found and eaten commonly by the people of Goa are listed here in this video. The phrases might differ slightly here and there from south to north of Goa since they have different pronunciations. If you are planning to visit Goa and enjoy the local cuisine, it is helpful to learn a few basic Konkani phrases for different types of meat. This will help you to communicate with your waiter or waitresses more easily and to order the food that you want. What is meat meaning in Konkani? Konkani Bashin o Sade Bashin mas munche meat. Oi zonwarache mas je ami lok ruchin o gostan khatat. Mas जाऊं येता संस्थान प्राणीचे सुकण्याचे आणि नुस्त्याचे मास जायते भाशेन फळां व गोट सालीचीं फळां असतात जी लोक खातात तेकाय मास म्हणटात. Well, in simple words, meat is the flesh of animals that is eaten as food. This includes the flesh of mammals, birds and fish. Meat can also be used to refer to the edible part of a seed or nut. Meat is a popular food all over the world. It is a good source of protein and other nutrients, but it is important to eat meat in moderation. Meat is a staple food in Goa, and there are many different ways to say meat in Konkani. Here is a list of some of the most common Konkani phrases for different types of meat. Please note that some of these Konkani phrases may vary depending on the region and Goa. For example, in some regions, mas is used to refer to fish, while in other regions, it is used to refer to meat in general. Hi and hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you have videos related to Konkani Learn. Learn Konkani through my simple and easy to understand videos. Let's start. Herein I have chosen the most commonly eaten flesh, meat names. If any missing out, please leave in the comment section. पहिले सुवातेर बोकड्या मास, goat meat, male goat. Second, bokde mas, goat meat, and that is of female. Bebya mas, frog meat. Channe mas, squirrel meat. Dukra mas, pork meat. Gaye mas, cow meat, beef. Gaye mas, ox meat. Kombya mas, cock meat. Kombe mas, hen meat. Kongya mas, snail meat. Kaso o kaswa mas, tortoise meat. Ran dukra mas, boar meat. So the video was nice and simple, but I'm sure you did not know all the different types of flesh or meat that people of Goa commonly eat them. Well, there can be more which I'm not aware of. If you guys have any information, please write them in the comment section so that I can add in my blog called konkanilearn.com. With that, I end this video. See you soon again with another video. Take care. Bye bye. Anik Mog Asundi.